This is Ballesteros Beach, FYIO, for your information only, as we now give you present activities, early activities at the shorelines of Ballesteros prior to the celebration of the Lenten season. Here we see a lot of people now enjoying the waters of the sea, the cool sea breeze, blue skies, the sounds of the rolling waves, and everything that the beach of Ballesteros can offer to you and to other people who wish to be here during the Lenten season. And it's really summertime. This is FYIO, for your information only.